It's strawberry. It's just, oh, it's wonderful.
Seattle Bliss is supported by subscribers just like you. Thank you.
There it is, guys. Take a look. Mmm. Strawberry cough. All right, well, that'll sure adjust your chakra. Hi, everyone. Jeff Cole here for Seattle Bliss. Today I'm having a little bit of strawberry cough as grown by Okanogan Gold, and grinding some up here to give it a good sniff. I've already given it a review while it was fresh, and here now I'm finishing it up, and so the terpene presence isn't quite what it was when it started out. I gave it a thorough review while it was good and fresh, and so whereas now some of those terpenes have dissipated, especially the monoterpenes, because I bought a whole ounce, and as best as you can, you're going to preserve your cannabis the way that I've shown you in another video. You can click on that one, see it. But yeah, strawberry cough, it's such a wonderful aroma that it's my guess is that it's limonene dominant. That the terpenes that I smell in it, I detect limonene as probably the dominant terpene, and probably some osamine and a couple of others that are tweaking that strawberry aroma. I'm keeping my door open over here so that I can blow my smoke out of the car. Anyway, let's see. I wanted to say several things to you here about this particular one. It's rare that I do a review on outdoor cannabis, because it seems like it's really tough to get a really good preservation of your product when you're doing these massive amounts. And so the outdoor growers, I'll tell you about who's doing it right. And this particular one, the Strawberry Cough by Okanogan Gold, appears to have been captured at a really at the right time, and preserved well in their packaging. As far as the review goes, maybe the strain lends itself well to preserving well. So if you're going to try strawberry cough, you can expect an active high. You can expect creativity, or for some people that turns into anxiety. So if you're a person that experiences anxiety from your sativas, your uplifting sativas, you might watch out for that and keep your dosage small. But as for if you're already really familiar with your cannabis, and you've overcome the anxiety, and you can steer that into creativity, strawberry cough is probably one that you're really going to enjoy. All right, and this is my car that I bought just for smoking in. I thought I was going to go driving around the state and go visit farms and all, but I rent a car for that. In fact, you can click on the link right above here, and you can go visit. You can see the Raven tour I recently did. I visited Raven, and they showed me some awesome techniques that they employ. And it's about living soil. They are doing some fantastic work down there. I'm really proud of them. So anyway, that's one of our best buds growers, and I hope you'll click on that one. And right here, I'll go ahead and tell you about the book giveaway that we're doing right now. You can click on, you need to send an email to seattlebliss420@gmail.com, and your subject line needs to be Grow Your Own 2019. The contest ends, the giveaway is a winner is going to be chosen May 31st, 2019. You need to have your entry in by 4:20 p.m. And the complete rules are at seattlebliss.com, and you can learn about that. Good luck to you. I hope you enjoy that one. That one was a gift from Micah and Nicole, two of the authors of that book that's part of Raven, and it tells all about how they do what they do down there. That's the techniques that they employ. I'm excited because of learning about that. I'm gonna see about getting my medical authorization so that I can grow at home. So I'm gonna be seeing if I can bring you some of that real soon. And let's see, and my book is going to be coming out real soon. Higher Ground is going to be out by New Year's 2020, and you can, supporting subscribers will get a copy of that mailed to them as thanks. Thank you for supporting Seattle Bliss, and I am certain that you're going to love this. Let's see. Anyway, thanks to everybody who's a supporting subscriber at Seattle Bliss. I really appreciate you. Thank you. And let's see. Boy, digging this. Whew. Boy. Oh. All right. All right. In my original review, I was detecting terpenes way past the first half of my bowl, and so this one got 5 for a score on smoke terpene presence. And so wow, that's really the point at which this grow stood out, because it was so well preserved, especially for an outdoor grow, because as I just said a minute ago, it's really hard for these guys to preserve these massive amounts that they get. They're either going to have to employ a whole lot of people to get this done quickly, or it's going to be just a little bit drier. And so you usually find that outdoor cannabis is just a little bit drier. It's going to be closer to 5% moisture, whereas your finer smokables are going to be up toward 10 to 15% moisture. And so it's a little bit different experience. Sometimes it's a little bit harsher, but this Strawberry Cough by Okanogan Gold, wow, turned out pretty nice, guys. Congratulations to them. And so you can take a look at the review there on seattlebliss.com, and a whole lot more reviews. You can be contributing to that yourself real soon if you're a supporting subscriber at seattlebliss.com. You can go there and see all about that. Until next time, I hope you'll like, comment, and subscribe down below. If you like this kind of video, give us a thumbs up. And until next time, I'll